Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I want to show you how you could pair a Bluetooth device, for example, headphones in this case, with your computer. It's actually pretty simple to do. Today I'm going to walk you through how you can do that. Okay, so the first step that we want to do is with your Bluetooth device, in this case I have headphones, you want to turn on pairing mode. And how do you turn on pairing mode? Well, lots of different devices that I've used before, whether it's a Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth headphones, what you do is you hit it once to turn it on, and then you push it all the way over to turn on pairing mode. And so I just heard a message that said ready to connect. Okay, so these are looking for a connection right now. Then what we do is we're going to go over to my Windows PC and I'm going to type in Bluetooth in search. Within search, you'll see that the best match is Bluetooth and other device settings. This is using Windows 10. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And now there's an option at the very top of this view that says add Bluetooth or other devices. Let's go ahead and click on the plus button. And the first option says Bluetooth, mice, keyboards, pens, or audio and other kinds of Bluetooth devices. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And now what it's doing is it's looking for devices that are searching for a connection. And remember I told you that I turned my headphone into pairing mode. And so here my computer now identified the Bose QC352. So I'm going to click on that. So now it's making a connection between these two devices. Okay, so I just heard a message in here telling me that it made a connection. So I'm going to click on done. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull up a video that I have on my computer to test that the audio is coming through. So we're just going to click on, let me click on a video that has some music. All right. And the music is coming through my Bluetooth headphones. So that's how simple it is to pair your Bluetooth device, if it's headphones or any other type of device, with your Windows 10 PC. You simply put your headphones into pairing mode, or whatever your USB or your Bluetooth device is, simply put that into pairing mode. And then you go into Windows 10 and search for Bluetooth, and then add Bluetooth or other device, and then you'll be able to connect the two. So hopefully if you were able to pair a device using this technique, please give this video a thumbs up. You want to see future videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any other video ideas that you want to see me cover in the future, leave a comment down below. All right, well, thanks a lot. I'll see you next time. Bye.